Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix OBS virtual camera not showing. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and try to turn off your Discord by clicking on this arrow right here, then right click on it, and then go and click on Quiet Discord or Quit Discord, like so, Quit Discord. And the second solution is to go to this pathway right here, this PC, then the C, then OBS Studio, then Data, then OBS Plugins, then Win-D shadow, then right click on this option, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes, then click on Continue or OK, and it will be running here. Now, these are the two options that you can actually try in order to fix this issue. Now, let me show you another option, is to simply go and turn off the OBS, then turn it on again and see if your issue is fixed or not. So now the last solution is to simply go and update the OBS and go and update the Discord. And now when I go and open Discord right away again, and go and click on settings, then go and click on voice and video, then go and click on camera, then go and click on this option here. I have the OBS virtual camera, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.